Here I've got Wileyfox Spark Plus, and let me show you how to change the font size on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select Display and Lights, it's under Device, then scroll down a bit, and under Daydream you will notice font size. Simply open it, and now just by tapping on this scale you can change the font size. So let me pick, for example, this one, the huge one, click on OK, and as you can see, it has already changed. If you would like to go back to default settings or to even smaller font, simply click over here and change it. Tap on OK, and that's it. So the changes have been applied. This is how you can change the font size in your device. So as you can see, it's pretty quickly and very easy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.